So Lanner has been around for over 32 years. Traditionally started as an ODM partner for many of the network security companies. It's a premier partner of Intel, so we work very closely. 80% of our platforms are based on Intel and really networking centric. Over the last 3 to 4 years, we've been focusing on white boxes, specifically for telecom, and primarily for universal CPE deployments and as well SD-WAN. So we have been building products around that in the process of rolling out the white box approach, so disaggregating hardware from software. We extending towards the edge compute side and expanding our reach for telecom. The biggest challenge today in deploying SD-WAN or universal CPEs is the overhead for managing these platforms. So as a partner with Enea, we were able to skim down the layer rather than using OpenStack, which is very heavy on resources in terms of core count and memory. We were able to work with Enea on scaling it down where we only need a fraction of the memory for the orchestration and management using netconf and Yang, and as well the NOS itself, or the operating system itself, to be more efficient and much more scalable on the platform. So the advantages of deploying it this way is actually, number one, you have more resources available for VNF deployments, so you have much more scalability on that. The second one is easier to manage. Everybody talks about zero-touch provisioning and field deployments where we don't even know where these platforms are going to go. So having an easy-to-manage platform is a key element for that. And then the third one is, of course, the cost. So if I have a less overhead for the management and the orchestration layer, where I can reduce my costs in terms of core count and look at a different SKU on the x86 side, when I'm having a better benefit on the overall return on investment. So universal CPE and SD-WAN all combined we are still in the infancy, to be honest. We see deployments already rolling out, but I think the next 5 to 10 years will be even bigger because SD-WAN will go in other vertical markets other than enterprise. So there is having a partner where the software layer has already been existing. An easy integration path is very important for that. And beyond that, we are focusing also on multi-access edge computing. So the edge compute side can adapt some of the frameworks, what we learned from SD-WAN and universal CPU, and adapt that in that level as well.